Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and we are here with Neil Koester. Neil, you want to say hi?
Hi. How you doing?
Neil is here because of the workshop that we're doing right now, right? It's the
Correct.
rocking chair. We're doing another rocking chair class.
Correct. Yes.
Awesome. How has that been so far?
It's been a lot of fun. You know what? It's they're teaching you to be less intimidated by the machine.
Sure.
And, you know, it's amazing abilities to do all these wonderful things, and you can focus on in any one particular specialty, and but the machine can handle whatever you want to do.
Exactly.
So.
And the more projects you do, just that comfort zone is just going to get better and better, right?
Yes, it is. One of the first things they say is you will crash the machine, and you know what? You will crash the machine, but you know what? You're not damaging it. You're just resetting things, and you got to learn to reset it. But you know what? You can't do a lot of damage. You might damage some of your wood, but from what I've seen, the machine does fantastic.
It bounces back.
Yes,
really good.
it really does.
Well. So awesome. So one of your favorite points is that you've been able to get some, again, less fear, a little more comfort in the machine.
Yes, absolutely. Because I guess I usually see any errors as my mistake, and you know what? Knowing that the CNC machine is just going to keep right on going. I've seen several other machines, and you know what? They're made, I won't call them shoddy, but more cheap. And this is, it's really nice to have solid machine that can do. Mainly, I spend most of my time on the flat table, but you can do the rotary stuff. Mm-hmm. The vertical table works great. You know what? I've had fun with some of that stuff, so it's a lot of fun.
That's great. And you mentioned, like you said, there's a lot of different options and machines out there. Why did you why did you get a Legacy CNC versus all the other options that are actually out there when it comes to CNC equipment?
I always heard that when they're talking about buying a machine, someone buys a relatively small machine and says, "Oh, I want something bigger," and then something bigger. And I just said, you know what? Bite the bullet. Do the time and just spend the money on the best machine right off the bat. And it really has been a lot of fun.
That's great.
So,
how long have you had your machine?
I've had it about 5 years now.
That's great.
So yeah, I've done mainly some signs, a little bit of crafting for the church. Making vacation Bible school stuff.
Oh, cool.
Doing some models. There's where you can actually build up. Actual. Cinderella's castle we have was 1,000+ pieces.
Oh, awesome.
So it was more time putting.
Holy moly!
It was more time putting the model together than it was cutting it out. But the machine cut it out fantastic. It
That's
really
fantastic.
did. All very small details when you were doing it was terrific. So
that's great. Well, Neil, that's really all I had today. Just to ask you, just want to see how the workshop was going. The reason why you're looking at Legacy.
Yeah, and the workshop makes it so you feel like you're not, you can use it as a hobby machine, but it's the possibility of going farther is available. Exactly. So I like that.
Well, I appreciate your time today. This has been great. We'll probably do this again maybe a little bit later. Maybe another 5 years down the road, we'll see what else you built.
I would love to come back again.
Awesome, Neil. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll see you in the next one, guys.